Okay, something very important. The nail of your left thumb has to be cut if you're playing wooden recorders. If not, you'll damage the edges of the thumbhole every time you play in the higher registers. Because the technique is sliding and not like this. As I hope you know, that technique doesn't work and is very bad for your hand and wrist. So the correct technique is just bending the thumb. As you can see, my nail is actually a little bit too long in this video. What happens if you play too often with a long thumbnail, and especially if you're pressing with the thumb, and I'm going to show it from up close, is that these borders start eroding. This is a very old recorder, so it's normal that there's just a tiny bit of erosion. It also depends on the softness of the wood. So we have to be very careful with that because it goes very quick. Then, of course, there are recorders that have a ring. If yours is too eroded, you can send it to an instrument maker so that they can place a ring for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and follow me here on YouTube.